So RapidG started in 1997 as a cleaning supplier company. After 15 years, we've grown into a domestic, commercial and eco-friendly cleaning supplies company. We also supply a range of cooking and safety equipment. Today, we serve a variety of clients from schools, hospitality, healthcare and food and beverage production. At RapidG, our core focus is on the customer experience. So we had really reinforced our investment into technology to ensure that our clients are receiving the best experience when dealing with RapidG. Before our digital transformation, we really didn't understand the issue within the company due to the lack of data we had access to. The previous ticketing system we used, the phone, email and ticketing system were disconnected. There was no data to make sense of wait times or missed calls. It was really a scary thought when you would think that everything was operating in an orderly fashion and then you would discover that that was not the case. It was really hard to find issues. It was really hard to make decisions without the data at our hands. And it was a really hard time to understand how we would scale.
The biggest pain point was staff engagement. They just weren't using the previous system. They were hesitant with it. They found it complicated. And as such, we weren't getting any results from it.
We discovered Zendesk amongst many other CRMs, and we made sure we thoroughly investigated what was suitable for our company at the time. And after demonstrating Zendesk and talking with the team at Zendesk, we knew we had found the right partner.
Adoption was very successful. We went from 7% engagement up to 100%. So the staff started using it daily for internal and external communication. We started using macro forms, a lot of notifications, custom templates and things. So yeah, they're really enjoying using it. Apart from being able to collect valuable data and improve our systems and customer service and relations, we noticed, which was surprising, a benefit in our purchasing department, where our warehousing were able to save 15 hours of time a month just by being able to analyse the data and improve what they were doing out there.
Zendesk has completely changed our customer service. We now process emails 3 times faster and our customer response time has increased by 90%, which is just incredible, and we didn't think that this was possible. RapidG's focus is to become the #1 B2B supplier in Australia, and since implementing Zendesk, we feel that we've found the right partner to achieve that goal.